Hello, Herschel Mehta here of Mehta Ventures, a boutique family office that specializes in early stage ventures. Hopefully you have seen part 1 on our series on quantum computing. If not, I recommend you see part 1 as it gives you an introduction to why quantum computers are necessary. In part 2, we will be explaining some of the tech behind quantum computing, as well as giving a single use case in the world of tech. So what exactly is quantum computing? Simply put, quantum computers can process massive, complex datasets more efficiently and effectively than classical computers. In classical computers, data for information processing is encoded into binary digits, known as bits, and have a value or a state of either a 1 or 0. In quantum computing, data is encoded into quantum bits, known as qubits, which can have values of 0, 1, or any quantum superposition of the two qubit states. What that means is that a bit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Let's use a simple example to illustrate the potential here. Imagine you have just gone grocery shopping and have purchased a carton of eggs, a gallon of milk, a loaf of bread, and a box of cereal. You also have one bag to place all 4 items into. Now let's assume you have to select the most optimum way to fill the bag as to not damage any of the groceries. Assuming you have no prior knowledge of which combination works and how each of the items will interact with each other, it only makes sense for you to try all the possible arrangements one by one and see which one gives you the best results. But going through each arrangement one by one will be a chore and will take time, since there are 24 possible arrangements. What if you could have 24 helpers who could simultaneously fill up 24 bags with one of the arrangements and shout out the result to you? Then you could find the optimal arrangement in the time of essentially filling one bag. That is what quantum computers allow you to do. They allow you to access all the possible states and variables parallelly and not just sequentially. The potential of quantum computing is massive. One real-world tech example is complex database searching. Quantum computing will be able to search a massive database in the square root time that a traditional computer can. That will be significantly more efficient and time effective. In the next video, we'll explain some other use cases as well as provide a few industries that will definitely benefit from the advent of quantum computers. Thank you.